Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I really miss talking with you guys. Today I have a new video for you. It's called Ways to Meet New People. I'm just gonna talk about 5 places where you can, or 5 ways to meet new people. Maybe you moved to a new country recently, like we did, or maybe you just want to expand your social network, or maybe you just want to change your whole social network. This video is for you, and the upcoming video will probably be some tips about what to do when you meet new people. So if you don't want to miss it out, subscribe. Of course, I have a list. I'm just gonna go through that. I don't want this video to be long. Let's get started. Number 1, start a new hobby. I think this is the best way to meet new people. I met so many amazing people, the same people that you saw on the thumbnail when I first started dancing salsa. It could be dancing, it could be painting, it could be photography. Any new hobby, any new course, any new interest would bring you some social network. Don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about the things that you do on your own in front of your computer screen. I'm talking about getting out and doing that thing with some people. So my personal preference would be just to give salsa a try at least once. I have a video about it on my channel. We'll link it down below. But yeah, I think a new hobby, perfect way to meet new people. Number 2, especially for those of you who want to expand your business network a little bit, is to attend networking events. I personally find these really good. We used to be a part of a networking group back in Switzerland, and we had so many amazing business connections and friends as well. Just by going to those events once a month, you can find those anywhere. No matter where you live, you can find networking events. Just go on Facebook, just go on Google. You can definitely find, just type in what you do, your general like work, business, or if you want to have something really like open to any business-minded people. I'm gonna give you another tip in a minute. Number 3 is joining some groups for your existing hobbies. It could be mostly on Facebook. I find that Facebook groups that are created around the hobby are so active, so nice, and people are genuinely there to meet new people and to enjoy their hobbies with new people around. So if you already have a hobby or you don't want to start a new one, you want to just improve the existing one by adding some new people in your life, I think this joining those hobby groups idea is perfect for you. Like I said, for me, Facebook is the best, but I'm sure you can find it on any social media platform. Number 4, Meetup and Internations. Those are the 2 platforms I love. I'm a member of Internations for a while now. I became a member when I first moved to Zurich, and I met so many amazing people all around the world. And the best part of Internations is, not that I'm sponsored or anything, they have different groups tailored to different interests. It could be business, it could be entrepreneurs, or like specifically women entrepreneurs. It could be dancing, it could be painting, it could be just single people, you know, like they have so many amazing groups that you can just join and go to their events. They are extremely active, especially in Zurich and London. Those are the 2 that I know so far. They're very active. There's at least a couple of, if not 5, 6 events per week. So just give it a try. And also Meetup. Meetup is something I've never tried, but I've heard that it's the same thing as Internations. I'm gonna leave the links to both of these platforms down in the description box. Give it a try. The worst case is you just go to one event, you don't like it, and you try it. And number 5, especially to those of you who are gonna start college in the upcoming months, I think school is a perfect place to meet new people. No matter if you're starting high school or college or university or whatever it's called in your country, or even masters. I found some of my best friends during my college years, during my master's years, and I think those relationships last longer. So just a tip, if you're going to school, if you're going back to school, or if you're going to a new school, open yourself a little bit for new friendships or relationships. I think your attitude in the first couple of weeks will change a lot in terms of your approachability. Just saying, it's one of the best places. And like I said, I'll give you some tips in the upcoming videos about what to say to people, how to talk to them, some chit chat tips. If you're bad at, I don't know what to say, like, do we talk about weather now? I will give you some tips. So if you don't want to miss it out, you know what to do, just subscribe. And also, another thing, if you have good ideas about ways to meet people, or if you have some questions about this video, leave them in the comments below, because a couple of weeks from now I will make a new video about your comments featuring you guys, and I will post that on my IGTV. And that's probably gonna be one of my first videos on IGTV. If you want to be featured on my IGTV, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!